Greetings, future scholars of America. It's Mr. Barfield here with another grammar video. Feel free to pause, rewind, fast forward at any time so that you get the best notes possible. Today's subject is complete versus compound subjects and predicates. It's going to get a little tricky and confusing because compound and complete sound kind of alike, but they mean very different things. So for starters, a complete subject is just the simple subject plus all the words that modify it. So a complete predicate is just a simple predicate or verb plus all the words that modify it or complete its meaning. When you have a subject and a predicate together in one sentence, they create a simple sentence. One complete subject plus one complete predicate. Let's look at an example. All right. Cincinnati baseball team played their first game in 1869. What is the simple subject of this sentence? If you said team, you're correct. The complete subject is the Cincinnati baseball team. Simple subject plus all the words that modify and complete its meaning. What is the simple predicate? Played. Everything after played completes the meaning of the predicate. Played their first baseball game in 1869. And that creates a simple sentence. Moving right along to a compound subject. That's when you have two or more simple subjects joined by a conjunction that have the same verb. For example, giraffes and elephants are exotic animals. Both of these subjects share the verb are. They could function as their own sentence. Giraffes are exotic animals, elephants are exotic animals, but it's more efficient to combine the two into a compound subject. So you can also have a compound predicate. Two or more verbs, or verb phrases, joined by a conjunction that have the same subject. Subject in this case, giraffes. Live in Africa and have long necks. You could say, giraffes live in Africa, period. Giraffes have long necks, period. But this sounds much better and is more efficient. Thanks for watching.